My name is Frankie. I'm an adult with ADHD and I'm a neurodivergent individual. I would like to share a story to you about something that happened to me when I was applying for school. I remember I self declared that I have ADHD because in my mind it's not something I should be ashamed about, but at the same time it's something the school should know about. Then the dean told me that for me to continue with my application, despite passing the entrance exam, is that I would have to give the institution a letter from my doctor that states that I am able to study I'm able to study and coexist with the students and the faculty of the school. And that was a very traumatic experience for me and to my family, I guess, because I told them my story. I do not understand why. And I think it's because back then there were so many misconceptions about ADHD, there were so many misconceptions about neurodiversity. And this is why Kami Naman is important. Why this webinar is important. Because it's crucial for neurodivergent individuals' voices and stories to be heard. It is crucial na kami at yung families namin yung nagkukwento kesa na ang nakukuhang kwento is something na from a different angle. Mas maganda na kami yung nagkukwento tungkol dito kasi ito yung authentic representation. And authentic representation has a big impact on how people and how the public can see us. Authentic representation has also a big impact when it comes to policymakers and policy changes. It is very important right now because we are also advocating for the neurodivergent people's rights. Hopefully, this webinar would also empower at least other neurodivergent individuals to self-advocate for themselves. And these personal stories and experiences of neurodivergent individuals and their families to have our lawmakers, our policymakers to create inclusive policies for us as well. So for today, all I'm asking for you guys is to listen and hopefully learn a lot from the many stories that the different groups, the Alliance, have prepared for you guys. Stories from individuals themselves, stories from families, stories from self-advocates. Listen and learn and find how can we support these individuals? How can we support these families? Because our end goal for the future is a future wherein neurodivergent individuals are also included and celebrated in society. Thank you very much. And hopefully, by the end of today, we have you as our allies. Maraming salamat po.